Okay, your tech task for this week is a pretty simple one. You're just going to be embedding a Google Doc into a Google site, and also creating a subpage for that doc to go into. So you've all made your Google site in the first week, and so let me show you how you make a subpage. So these are some pages I made. Let's just say I want to make a new page, and I'll call it homework. And subpages are basically things that will appear in a dropdown. For example, under resources, I have a couple subpages. So if I want to make a subpage under homework, I mouse over and there's these three dots here. Those are really important to check out in Google Docs tools in general, because there's a lot of functionality underneath there. And sure enough, here it says add subpage. And so let's call this HyperDoc. So this is imagine you were asking the students to go to your web page to get to the homework. So I'll say done. And now we need to insert that Google Doc into that page. And remember, with Google Sites, you can click in this area below and get these options for images and uploads and text and so on. In this case, we're actually going to go up here in the upper right where it says Insert, and we're going to choose Docs. And I will scroll down to see something that looks like a HyperDoc here. And I just choose Insert. And then click Publish. Now it may look like, oh, it's getting cut off, but just it'll be fine as soon as we publish it. You'll see that you're going to be able to scroll and be able to see. And then I would recommend clicking View so you get an idea, like a preview of what it's going to look like. And there it is. And with all these kind of things that you insert, they always give you this option to click here, which will essentially open the original document, but then I'll go back. So that's all you need to do to insert a Google Doc into your Google site on a subpage. Good luck. If you have any questions, just send me an email. All right, good luck. Bye.